Hello, I'm going to talk about my favorite world regions. Land of Wonder Machu Picchu. Where is it and Peru? It is nature or man-made. In the design be made. Interfa answer the following question in order to how to organize your ideas and tests. How large is it? It's like city. Who might visit it? It is open to the public want to have the event and the hire as the mall. What is the purpose of it? It was initially built to be inhabited by the Incas in the snap of cultural historical heritage. What makes it wonder is purpose today in stores and archaeology style. Hypothetic situation in this part, you were right and test of export to your mother, father, friend, etc. Describing your visit in this wonder, answer the following questions in order to organize your ideas and tests. What, what are you down there? Knowing history is structure and the importance of evidence of Machu Picchu. What do you like, dislike about it? Of the seven wonders in line, the Machu Picchu, a city bound in the Pendus place, regardless of where conscious. Show the physical strength and the wonderland in the architect, the pipes over the lines in the not like the cost of the tour's visit. Would that remind you feel happy to make this tour's trip to North culture and country, knowing his history that up market it. What was for you easy to describe it? It is so many managed to have the opportunity to live this experience and to know one on the seven wonders of the world.